Anuj and Yashpal are now joining us live on the broadcast. Anuj, firstly, we all are so relieved that you and Yashpal are finally out. We can only imagine how the last 6 days must have been. So we want you to tell us first up what had happened. How is it that you were detained by the police? What did you say at that time of the kind of allegations they've made against you, of the treatment that was meted out to you in the last 6 days, and how you held your ground through all this?
Well, these were the days what we faced, which can never be forgotten. This is also one of the part of the story. But on the other hand, we have to focus on the story, and that's something what we were doing at that point in time. That's my video journalist Yashpal with me. We were all together. We were following a lead when we reaches to the farmhouse of the Chief Minister. And there we were trying to ask question from the gate man, the guard who was there. Do you know this particular lead whom we were looking for? And after that, this all happened. No, so it is very much clear. We have seen earlier also the effort that has been made in to stop us, to stop Republic Media Network. So this was the kind of this is a repetition of those things which happened earlier also. So this is something what we witnessed, and if we talk about the pressure, if we talk about the investigation, this is something rather which would be so early to come out with. But yes, something what we were told, something what we were told by the officials, that yes, pressure is there. Yes, there are some people who are trying to stop us, to stop the journalism, what we are doing. So this is something like they have charged us with different kind of charges, like one of the charges trespassing, and the other charges are there. But obviously the truth is there, and that's why we are standing here today, and the things which has been given by the court today is out and clear. So that is something which we understand that at the end of the day, the victory of journalism, the fearless journalism, the freedom of journalism should be there, which should not be stopped. So this is a message rather that you cannot stop the freedom of journalism. Journalism is there. We were following the story. We will follow the story. That's something what we want to say. I also want to bring in my video journalist Yashpal with if he want to share some of the movement, if he can share some of the movement. Yashpal ji, आप अगर बता पाएं हमारी टीम पूरी साथ में थी, किस तरीके से ये दिन रहे और क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
बिल्कुल
अनुज, मैंने आपको काम करते देखा है, सच की लड़ाई लड़ते देखा है, और उस दिन भी हम लोग एक जनता के सामने कुछ सच दिखाने के चक्कर में ही हम वहाँ चले गए थे। एक लीड जो मिली थी हमें, हमारा जो काम था, हम अपना काम कर रहे थे, और जब हम वापस आए, जाना तो ठीक, लेकिन जब हम वहाँ से वापस आए, उसके बाद जो हुआ वो बहुत ही भयानक, डरावना, जिसकी आशा नहीं की जा सकती, वो भी मीडिया के साथ। बताने के बावजूद भी कि हम मीडिया से हैं, रिपब्लिक टीवी मीडिया नेटवर्क से हैं, उसके बाद भी जो प्रेशर क्रिएट किया गया,
ये असलियत
शब्द
है
नहीं मेरे पास किस हिसाब से मैं बयां कर सकूं कि, लेकिन हाँ, इसके बाद भी मैं ये कह सकता हूँ, रिपब्लिक मीडिया नेटवर्क और हमारी जो टीम है सच दिखाना नहीं छोड़ेगी, प्रेशर चाहे कितना भी हो। जी
बिल्कुल जी, देखिए लगातार हम लोग बस यही एक बात रख रहे हैं कि रिपब्लिक मीडिया नेटवर्क की टीम लगातार सच को दिखाने की कोशिश करती है,
पूरी कैमरा टीम
दिखाती है।
ये our viewers should, Anuj, our viewers should know this. You had your identification, the points which were made by Maharashtra police, that for 24 hours they were not able to ascertain that whether you are journalist belonging to Republic or not is false, is wrong, because you had your ID cards, you had the equipment, you had the R boom which you are holding so proudly in your hand, Anuj. You and your camera person Yashpal, camera unit, you had everything with you to prove the Mumbai police, the Maharashtra police, that you were just doing your journalistic duties, Anuj and Yashpal.
Oh, well, exactly. We were having our iCard. We showed them our iCard. We showed them our boom mic, our camera. We told them about the lead also, rather, that we were trying to follow some lead, and that's why we are there. and we do not we have not done anything wrong, and you can cross identify it, you can cross check it with our office, but they were not allowing us to do the same. And rather this was a signal from there, rather this was a sign from there that yes, some
Are
kind of
you
pressure
saying
is
this?
there, and they were not allowing us to do the same. Well, yes,
Absolutely,
Aishwarya,
Anu. So
this
this
is
the
very much
reality.
clear.
This
This
is-
is something what we were understanding.
Speak on. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, Aishwarya, I was saying that this is
Absolutely,
something
Anuj.
what we understood from this whole last 6 day. Last 6 days, if we talk about the interrogation, if we talk about the first night when we were detained, we were trying to just tell them that we have not done anything wrong. We are doing our journalism, we are having a lead, we are moving up with a lead, and we can confirm you that we are journalists, we have a boom mic, we have a camera unit with us, so you can get it rechecked from everywhere, wherever you want. If you want, if you have any query, then you can call our office. Several points was given by us, but there was an unanswered and something which we say
I can understand.
that
I can
there was
understand,
something in
Anuj.
their
Suisha-
mind, but they don't want to portray it clearly. But they just told us that there is a pressure. There is a pressure. So this is huge. There is a pressure.
Understandably,
that is,
understandably.
So there
Everybody
was
is
enough
trying
and
to
ample
stop us.
proof, Anuj, to prove that you were a journalist and you were there to do your job. Despite that,
Yes.
and worst of all, Aishwarya, he was even denied legal representation. Why so? He's a journalist, he's doing his job, and that is just his basic right as a citizen of this country. Why is it that he was denied basics? On that note, Aishwarya and Anuj, stay on with us. We'll come back to this. Anuj will talk about your experience in detail of how you may have told the police that you're a journalist, of how you kept proving to them
Yes.
that they're holding you for nothing.
Yes.
Despite that, the kind of trouble that you had to go through in these 6 days, Aishwarya, all of us here, we were so worried about him and his family most of all.
Absolutely.
Talking more about this, but for the moment, stepping into a short commercial break.